Derivatives of implicit functions. What is implicit function? For example, consider two types of relationship between x and y. X plus y plus pi equal to 0. X plus cos xy minus y equal to 0. In the first case, that is, for x plus y plus pi equal to 0, it is easy to find out the y value. That is, y is equals to minus x minus pi. But in the second case, it is not possible to solve for y even though y is depending on x. When a relationship between x and y is expressed in a way that it is easy to solve for y and write y is equal to f of x, we say that y is given as an explicit function of x. When we are not able to solve for y from the given relation between x and y, then y is implicit function of x. The second example what we considered is an implicit function. Now, let us differentiate both the examples what we have taken. For the first example, x plus y plus pi is equal to 0, we are able to solve for y, that is, y is equal to minus x minus pi. Now differentiating y with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to differentiation of negative of x with respect to x is minus 1 and differentiation of pi is constant, that is 0. The same example can be solved without solving for y. That is, differentiation of x plus y plus pi can be evaluated with the help of algebra of differentiation. So we get 1 plus dy by dx is equal to 0, which is nothing but differentiation of y with respect to x is minus 1. In both the methods, we get the same result. Now for the second example, as it is an implicit function, that is, we are not able to solve for y, we have to find the differentiation only by the second method. Rearranging the terms, we get x plus cos xy is equal to y. Differentiating both the sides with respect to x, we get d by dx of x plus cos xy is equal to dy by dx. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Now, the differentiation of cos xy with respect to x can be evaluated with the help of chain rule. That is, d by dx of cos xy is equal to negative of sin xy into differentiation of xy. Now, the differentiation of xy can be done with the help of product rule. So, we get differentiation of cos xy as negative of sin xy into x into dy by dx plus y. Substituting the corresponding values in d by dx of x plus cos xy is equal to dy by dx, we get 1 minus sin xy of x into dy by dx plus y is equal to dy by dx. Now, regrouping and arranging the terms, we get dy by dx as 1 minus y into sin of xy divided by 1 plus x into sin of xy.